Hi, my name is Kyle Westerman, and I am a junior high history teacher and a high school strength and conditioning teacher at Oxford Junior High and High School in Oxford, Kansas. I am married with two kids. Both my kids are boys. I have a 3-year-old and a 6-month-old. My wife is also a teacher. She teaches the deaf and hard of hearing in Cali County. I also coach here at Oxford. I coach high school football and high school track and field. Some of my hobbies, I enjoy hunting as much as possible, and obviously sports and football. Um, the possible future in administration. Um, when I first started, I thought that I may want to be a principal, but as I take more and more classes, I don't know if being an administrator is really in my future, but it's a possibility. I enjoy being at a small school like where I'm at now, and I think being an administrator here wouldn't be that bad, but I don't know if I'd want to do it at a large school. But also, just moving up in the pay scale is a benefit of getting your master's degree. Background in leadership. Uh, Being in football, both in high school and in college, allowed me to be a leader on the field and off the field as well. And then also coaching shows or allows me to be a leader of the kids and the ones that are involved in that sport. And then my jobs outside of teaching, or before I got into teaching, um, I did multiple things, insurance, and worked for a trucking company, and worked my way up into management roles in both of those positions. When it comes to school finance, I guess the strengths that I would have in school finance is it does intrigue me. I like to know how things work and where the money comes from and how bond issues play in. Like here at Oxford, we've passed a couple bonds to redo the roofs and make some additions to our elementary school and our high school as well. And knowing how that works does intrigue me. My weaknesses in school finance would be that I don't know all the ins and outs and how that works. And I'm excited about this class and getting to know more about the school finance and how that all that stuff works. I'm excited for this semester, and I wish you all the best.